Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to import PDF in Notion. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to go right here to the top right corner and click on these three dots. This will expand this menu, but only if you are in this view, page view. So click on this menu and then go to import. Now select the PDF option and this will open up your file folder in your computer. Now select the PDF that you want to import and double click it. This will upload your PDF to Notion and import it automatically. Once done, it will automatically opens and show you how the PDF looks like in your Notion, and it will create it as a new page in your Notion. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.